Okay, guys, I want everyone to play Coastal Tension. This is exactly why I do not play the upper band trades here. If you look at my system, we clearly had this ATR4, which is this upper band, and that's really where you're going to get the rug pulls, is what they say. Back in the day, you probably didn't see this system, and you're wondering like, why is a stock going from $8 to $3 in literally like 2 days? Like, how's that possible? Well, if you look at the thing, algos are respecting everything. When algos hit this extreme alert here, like we hit this ATR4, it can't sustain it. Just like it can't sustain this over here. So we got to be very careful because what's going to happen is it's going to touch the EMA 5, and that's usually where price tends to go to. So price heads back here, and then it hits the EMA 10, and the final destination is the EMA 20. That's the full reversion to the mean, and it can go wherever it wants to. Can it go back up? Sure, but most likely with penny stocks, they go trembling down. Your best buys are obviously near this bottom band here, and then you sell up in here into the dips and rips, the rips here, and that's what's going to make the most confident boosters. Because when you're near the lower band, there's not much more room it can go down to. You can go to an ATR 5, sure, but most likely not. What happens is you had that swift move up here, and as you can see right here, as you get close to upper band, it gets sold off. So I just want to show this because I see people buying NUZE. I'm just like scratching my head. I was like, this is just probably one of the most riskiest plays I've seen. I saw people buy it up in the $7, $5, $4, and it's just averaging it down because what happens is you see this big move up. Retail traders get excited. And this doesn't happen all the time where you get this down move here and then a new high. What happens is you get this here and it goes plummeting down to the EMA 20 right away, and then it never makes this full high and makes a little swifty move here and then makes a new low. I see that all the time. If the problem is, and we've seen it with FFIE, the big stocks that pumped. Somehow everyone's holding a bag. It's because not everyone understands the process what algos are doing. Algorithms will tank this go down, and these stocks that have made these moves are going to be the biggest percentages, 30%, 12, $8 to freaking 368. It's lost half its value in 2 days and then some. So we're at the EMA 10. That could be a good bouncing area, but look at the trend. What is the trend saying? What is this trend saying here? And this could find, okay, this makes a lot of sense of why, we're currently, dumping, right? Well, why are we dumping? Well, one, we formed a solid trend here. This is your bottom here. This is your top here. Price most likely will not go above this channel for a very long time. This could be a nice solid bounce, like I said, right near the EMA 10. Usually is a bounce effect, but it's not really my favorite trades to take. So you got to understand what you're looking at, guys, what beast you're looking at, and all that. This is probably made a lot of people bag hold, and they're probably saying the market's rigged. It's not. The market's rigged, but the algos knew where this is going. This is not a solid trade. Take the trade near the bottom band or close to it with massive time distance away from the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Price always has to hit the 5, 10, and 20, guys. It doesn't, if it goes way over here, red flags. I don't care how good the company is. You need to stop buying it up in there because price will hit this EMA 20. Price will go back to it. And so that's really what I'm saying. I see a lot of people buy NUZE. No more buying NUZE. Just leave it alone. Let it sold back. I promise you there's other stocks to buy and other opportunities. If you guys want to swing trade and learn how to do this strategy and learn the ins and outs, join the premium Discord. I promise you will be a profitable trader. And why can I make that? Because I had a big successful win rate with a lot of people telling me they went red to green in just a very short amount of time. They understand how price action works. They understand that the market is driven by algorithms. It's all algorithms. They tell you when it goes up. Institutions control algorithms, and algorithms to a T tell you when it's too extended, it goes back down. So if you guys want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord. It'll be pinned in the comments. You can't miss it. Head on over, read the testimonies if you don't believe it. A lot of people in here love the service. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. If you want to subscribe, if you only have an Android, try to use a computer or do it on your phone's browser. But the easiest way to subscribe is hit server shop on the top left. For 12 bucks a month, guys, I'm going to give you guys a lifetime opportunity. You take the risk, jump off the cliff here for me, and I promise you, you guys will be in a pool of green. Literally, you're gonna understand why when the market's deep red, why when the everything's shutting down, everyone's causing chaos. Why am I not emotional? Why do I not get scared about the things? Because I know where price corrects to. I know what my system's telling me. I'm not scared. People don't have this system. They don't understand. And I understand everything about price action. It's took me a very long time. And this is to show you guys to be confident in your trades. Confidence and psychology controls a lot of your wins and losses. So for 12 bucks a month, you're going to access everything to the left. Day in Swing Trading Plus gives you my live streams. You can see me when I go live, my journal, my wins and losses of how I've won massive amount of trades, day trade alerts, day trading education, swing trading education, all that good stuff, and lots of stuff for you guys to get started to trade like a pro. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Like I say, guys, I really do want the best for you guys. I really think this can be a nice, thing to quit your job eventually. The more you trade, the more experience you have, the more confidence, and over time, you guys will be a profitable trader, and you guys are going to love it. It's one of the best journeys I ever taken, and yes, everything involves risk, but I will say this is probably the safest way, in my opinion, to trade. So if you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what your average is on NUZE. Let me know how you feel about it. Could it go up? Sure. It's near the bottom trend channel. It's on an EMA 10, absolutely. But it's just not the A plus setups like I want. I want to get near the ATR 4 or have massive time distance to the upside, and that's really what I want to get, guys. So hope to see you guys in the Discord. Happy trading and stay blessed, guys, and I'll see you there. Peace out.